We're a aluminum extrusion company. We manufacture all different shapes and sizes of aluminum. It's very hot in this, I mean, you got these machines pushing this metal at 800 degrees. And, of course, heat rises and it also comes back down. So these guys are really burning up. So I guess we decided to do something and we put the Apollo systems up. It's much cooler. I'm gonna say at least 15 degrees down, at least. The Apollos stay on all the time. We don't, we put them on auto and we let them do their thing. If a rain comes up, they close automatically. Before the rain even thinks about getting to the ground, they're closed. If the wind gets too high, they close automatically. But day to day, they're open because the temperature in this building stays. I believe we have them set to close after 80 degrees. And it's always at least 80. So they're always open. There was a guy, and we opened the system up, and the guy goes, it ain't doing anything, And I said, really? So I closed them, and a couple minutes went by, and all of a sudden he goes, man, can you open those things back up? It's getting hot in here. I said, yeah, okay, well now it's working. Yeah. So he says, open them back up, so we opened them. It's a great system. I mean, and it's no cost to run. There's no belts to change. Because it's not a lot of movement, nothing breaks. I mean, there's nothing there to break. There's no power. They open, and that's it. And it's just let the heat out. The Apollos, man, they work really. I mean, these guys are happy. I can put it that way. They're happy.